Page 5, problem 14. It's a cube root radical. It's not isolated yet, so let's say, let me adjust this a little bit here. There we go. Take away 1 from both sides to isolate the cube root radical. Then it's going to say cube root of 3x minus 16 equals negative 1. It's an odd index root, so it can be a negative output. So if we cube both sides, or raise both sides to the third power, the third power of the cube root leaves us with simply the radicand, the 3x minus 16, negative 1 to the third. That's negative 1 times negative 1 times negative 1 is negative 1. And if I solve this for x, I add 16 to both sides, I guess, huh? I get 3x equals negative 1 plus 16 is 15, and divide by 3, and I get x equals 5. And if you plug the 5 in, what's it going to do? It'll be 3 times 5. It'll be 15 minus 16. 15 minus 16 plus 1. Does that actually come out to 0? Yeah, because 15 minus 16 is negative 1. And the cube root of negative 1 is negative 1. And negative 1 plus 1 does equal 0. Okay? And then number 15, solve this for x, means rearrange everything so that it reads x equals such and such, and x equals some expression with the other variables, and maybe the numbers too hang out, but no x on the other side. One x all by itself on one side. So we can begin by getting rid of the radical by raising both sides to the 4th power. So I'll have n to the 4th equals, let me write this way too. N to the 4th equals the 4th power of the 4th root of this expression, leaves us with just that expression. And trying to get x by itself, well, let's get rid of the fraction part of this. Let's multiply both sides by 7k. So we'll have 7k times n to the 4th equals just 2x minus 1. Okay, back here, in case I went a little too fast, this is what I did. So we get 7 times k times n to the 4th power, and on the other side, that cancels that denominator. Now if I add 1 to both sides, I get 7k n to the 4th plus 1 equals 2x. Only thing remaining to clear up is get this 2 out of here. So if I divide both sides by 2, that'll take care of it. I'll now have 1x. Let me write it this way. 1x equals 7k n to the 4th plus 1, whole thing divided by 2. Okay, and that's the end of page 5. That was a quick one.